Welcome to my class, your class. Today's lesson, my daily routine.
I wake up at 6 a.m. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I brush my hair. I have breakfast. We go to school. We have lunch. We exercise. We go home at 3 p.m. We play with our friends. We have a snack. I do my homework. I watch TV. Mom and Dad arrive home at 7 p.m. We have dinner. We wash the dishes. We take out the trash. I read a book. I go to bed. And you? How is your daily routine?
What about subscribing my channel?